Imagine walking into your PTE test knowing, not hoping that you're going to get a perfect 90. Sounds impossible. Give me just 2 weeks and I'll show you how it's not only possible, it's certain. Hi, this is Sridhar from PTE Language Institute, and for the past 10 years I've helped thousands of students around the world crush the PTE test and achieve their scores, many hitting that perfect 90. If you are unable to crack the PT on your own with the required score, then join my paid online coaching. The number is given on the description below. So what's the secret behind this 2-week PTE challenge? Simple. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. In my 2-week intensive program, you will learn the exact templates for speaking and writing that get results every single time. Proven time management hacks to finish every section confidently. AI-based feedback, so you know exactly where you stand after every practice. And my unique pattern decoding method, the same method my top scorers use to turn weaknesses into 90s. The templates and feedback system completely changed my students' game. Whether you're stuck at 65 or hovering around 79, my methods work. I've seen it with a lot of candidates, anyone willing to follow the process for 14 days. Give me 2 weeks, follow my guidance, attend every live class, complete every mock test, and if you don't still get the result, I will personally work with you until you do so. Call me to join the paid PT 2-week challenge and let's get you that 90 by 90 you've been dreaming of. Let's get started. Let's see what do we have here. Read aloud. According to a recent study, a star located near the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy has been determined to have originated from outside the galaxy. This discovery marks the first instance of a star from another galaxy being identified in close proximity to a supermassive black hole. So, do I have to speak in this manner? Yes, you have to speak in this manner because you'll be looked upon for the oral fluency and pronunciation. So you will not be getting any score for reading comprehension going forward. Let us look at another read aloud. Urban forests play a crucial role in promoting urban sustainability and resilience. They contribute to climate change mitigation by sequestering carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. Urban forests also help manage stormwater runoff by absorbing the filter rainwater, reducing the risk of flooding. Furthermore, these green spaces provide social and psychological benefits such as stress reduction and improved mental well-being. Let us do one more. One of the complex agricultural problems is the issue of food waste. Food waste refers to the discarding of edible food at various stages of the food supply chain, from production to consumption. This not only represents a significant loss of resources, but also has environmental implications, such as greenhouse gas emissions from decomposing food waste in landfills. Okay, repeat sentence. Here, the strategy would be to segregate the sentence into 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. Let's see what do we have here.
Meet the requirement, multiple copies need to be given to the department.
To meet the requirement, multiple copies need to be given to the department.
Answers to these crucial scientific questions are approaching closer for researchers.
Answers to these crucial scientific questions are approaching closer for researchers.
Physiology delves into the complex inner and outer structures of the body.
Physiology delves into the complex inner and outer structures of the body. Okay, let us look at the describe image. You'll be given anywhere around 30 to 35 seconds to jot down the points. Quickly jot out the points by seeing the pie chart. So you can start by saying the pie chart illustrates market share of smart home devices with smart bulbs at 30% market share, whereas smart speakers with 25% market share and smart securities with 20% market share. However, smart thermostats had only 15% market share, with others 10% market share. Overall, it's a clear depiction of market share of smart home devices. So I spoke for almost 30 seconds. That would suffice. Okay, let's look at the line graph. The line graph describes monthly online course enrollment from January till December months. January had 1100 enrollments, whereas it rose to 3000 enrollments in April. However, the monthly online enrollments dipped in June to around 1400. Again, in the month of August, the monthly online course enrollment peaked to around 4200 enrollments, whereas September saw a heavy decline in enrollments to around 1200 again, like in the month of Jan. However, it peaked to 4,500 enrollments in November and declined in the month of December to around 1,300 enrollments. Overall, it's a clear depiction of monthly online course enrollment in 12 months time period. The bar chart illustrates average medical expenses by age group. To begin with, 0 to 18 had $1,500 average medical expenses, whereas 19 to 30 had an average medical expense of only $700. However, 31 to 45 age group had $1,000 medical expenses. Nevertheless, 46 to 60 had anywhere around $2,800 of average medical expenses. Overall, 60 plus years of age had around $1,700 average medical expenses. Okay, now let's do the read and write fill in the blanks. Mostly on the read and write fill in the blanks, you will get the clue from the paragraph itself. Let's see, what do we have here? In the UK, it is recommended that drivers should turn off. So turn off has been given in the first blank. Let us see it. In the UK, it is recommended that drivers should turn off their car engines when they expect to be stationary for more than 1 minute. To encourage drivers to turn off, turning off, and turned off. So to turn off should be the right answer, their engines. So let's read it properly. To encourage drivers to turn off their engines while waiting at railway crossings, the Kent City Council placed a permanent sign at the crossing asking drivers to please switch off your engine when barriers are down to help improve air quality. For instance, on average, in addition, of course, drivers had to wait. So on average fits in the bill here. On average, drivers had to wait between 2 and 3 minutes to cross after the barrier had gone down. However, the sign didn't seem to be convincing the exception, minority, majority, unity of drivers. So majority fits in the bill here, viewers. Let me read it. However, the sign didn't seem to be convincing majority of the drivers to switch off the engines. Although since, because, thus, although some researchers suggest that signs alone can change behavior, because lonely, neither, and either doesn't fit in the bill. So we have to properly read it to understand. Although some research suggests that signs alone can change behavior, the message of this sign was designed simply to be an informational request and was not guided by any particular behavioral theory. The researchers explain. So the research team led by Rose Melardi of the University of East Anglia designed an intervention study. Let's look into the next read and write fill in the blanks. Art is everywhere, but many people feel like that they don't understand it. They may wonder what the artist is trying to say or how to dash, match, enjoy, relate, access. Relate to a painting could be the right answer here, or a sculpture. However, art is not something that requires a special knowledge or a degree to appropriate. It is kinds of means of a note to a form of communication. So form of communication fits in the bill that can spark our imagination, emotions, and memories. One way to approach art is to see it as an interactive adventure rather than a passive observation. Instead of just glancing at a work for a few seconds, try to spend some time with it and notice the details, colors, shapes, and textures, because connect, forecast, and cause doesn't fit in the bill. So that's how I did the collocation for this particular fill in the blanks. Ask yourself what the work makes you think of, feel, or remember. You may find connections to your own life, culture, or history. Okay, let's look into another read and write fill in the blanks. Across various fields, from education to business and politics, we have embraced a win at all dash marks, chances, costs, and parts. Win at all costs mentally. So that's looking like a collocation here, often leaving individuals emotionally, mentally, and physically damaged. This focus on the dash end, gain, fate, late result. This focus on the end result goes very well with the collocation, neglects the human cost of achieving these victories. It's time we redefine success, focusing on developing champions in life regardless of wins or losses, because win is going along gelling well with the losses, not feats, beats, or loses, but losses is the right answer. This approach is about asking the right questions, focusing on the experience and process rather than just the outcome. Listening dash. So listening genuinely without the need to respond or be right is the right answer, because increasingly, successively, generally doesn't fit in the bill, can unlock profound insights and healing, as seen with gymnast Kyla Ross, who shared her experience of abuse and found strength in dash. Being heard could be the probability here. Hearing, being heard, having heard is not fitting in the bill. We must redefine success beyond wins, fostering an environment where individuals feel valued, heard, and empowered. Let's do right from dictation. Let me type it along with the listening.
You are required to attend the lectures and write weekly reports.
You are required to attend the lectures and write weekly reports. Start with a capital letter and end with a period. Okay, let's listen into the next audio.
The library offers study rooms, computer access, and research assistance services.
The library offers study room, computer access, and research assistance services. Okay, let's listen into next audio.
University graduates have opportunities for career advancements and personal growth.
University graduates have opportunities for career advancement and personal growth. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.